Or you hear all that banging around? It's mainly happening down in this joint here with your hinge. The reason that it's happening is because originally this is basically what it looked like. It's just a metal wheel in there in a metal socket, and that's it. It's going to wear out, it's going to start making noise. We've solved your problem by this guy right here. You see this little wheel right here? It's like urethane. It's actually called Delrin, I think it is. And this wheel will not only spin on this pivot right here, but it can also spin in right here. It's made just a hair larger to take care of that gap up in there and take care of all that rattling for you. Plus you don't even have to lube it up because this is kind of a self-lubricating joint for you. I'm going to go ahead and take this off and show you how to put these in so you can see just how easy this is. Okay, so I'm going to shut the tailgate and I'm going to take this lower bolt out first, then I'll bring the tailgate down, take the top bolt out, and then I'll show you what comes next. Now, before you take the top bolt all the way out, you have to have a buddy and holding it on. I've got this supported by my knee right here, and then I can take this out the rest of the way. Now we got to be real careful right here. If you got a nice paint job, you're going to probably want to put tape right here and things like that to keep from scratching, and you're going to just slowly bring this guy up, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull it forward some. Now this will come out and I can take my tailgate off nice and neat. So all I'm going to do is just simply unbolt my old wheel right here, my old pivot joint, and then I'll put my new piece right in, and we can just go like this. We can paint this bracket up or whatever. We can leave it old for the patina. If I want to get a little bit of bling, I can just go ahead and do this and go ahead and reinstall. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy installed on the other side, then I'll show you how to put your tailgate back in. Putting the tailgates on, just like coming off, we're just going to go ahead and make sure that our bracket here is right in this groove, and then we're just going to slide it right on down like this, and we'll get our top screw in here. Now, one of the things I want you to notice about these brackets is that they are slotted, so you can move it in and out a little bit. So when I install the one on the right side, I'm going to have it all the way out, and when I get these in, I'll simply snug them in. Then I'll line up my tailgate, then I'll go ahead and tighten them up. So let me get this looking good, and I'll come back in a second. Tailgate is all tightened up, all lined up, and we're ready to go. Now we don't have any banging. It's nice and quiet. I think that I might get some new chains too. We'll see you out on the road. You make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe so you can see all my cool videos, man.